So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. Here I would like to discuss the question that is whether the cutoff will increase or decrease. Means it will go up to a high rank as compared to last year or low rank in the CSAB counseling. So I would like to inform you that CSAB counseling is all about the smartness. You have to do it very carefully. You can't do the general conventional counseling here because it is CSAB. There are lots of risk involved. You may lose your money. You may lose the previous seat, that is if you are having the JOSA seat, or you may have to drop for the next year as well. So it is very advisable to do the counseling process very carefully, and I will be helping you in that. If you need complete counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that. Once you register, I will try to guide you completely. Now let's come to the question, that is whether the cutoff will increase or decrease. So for other than CSE branches, that is CSE or CSE related branches, other than that branches, the cutoff will go higher. Means you can expect at very high rank as compared to previous year. Also, you also know CSAB counseling is unpredictable, but according to my experience, as I am doing from last 3-4 years, so I am telling you other branches, that is mechanical, civil, electrical, material science, engineering, biotechnology, this type of branches will be available at very high rank as compared to previous year. And other branches, that is CSE or EC branches, you will able to get at lower rank than previous year. It is the assumption based on the current year trend I am telling you, and also based on the 3-4 years of last year trend. And the reason behind that, you also know, everyone wants the CS branch. Even those students who are having mechanical or civil in good NIT, they are also looking for CSE branch or EC branch. So whatever seat will be available for CSE EC, they will take that seat. So I think the cutoff will not go very high, but if you will do it carefully, you may get, because you need only one seat. Try to understand my point. Even after getting the seat matrix, you will say that there is only 5 seat or 2 seat, and it is obvious because there will be only 2-3 seat, maximum 5 seat available in one colleges, and you need only one seat. So you have to think like that. You need only one seat, and once you will get that seat, your dream will be fulfilled. So you have to do it very carefully, and after checking the seat matrix, you may demotivated because there will be very less seat, but I am suggesting you there will be some seat addition also after that, because it is provisional seat matrix. No need to worry. Do it carefully, because maximum student will be doing the mistake that are there in the CSAB counseling, because they will do the general conventional counseling. You need to do the smart counseling, and in that I will be helping you completely once you register with my guidance. So if you need complete guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number, so that I will take care of everything, that is choice filling, decision making, document upload, so that you will able to save your money as well. That is, if you will do mistake, you may not get the refund later, and also I will help you to get the best out of your rank, so that you will not have to drop for the next year, and also you will able to retain the seat if you will not get anything better in the CSAP counseling. So hope you get this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel, so that you will be getting all the update and information at the right time in the same channel. Thanks. So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number, and after that take the photo of your question and upload that in the app, and after that within 60 seconds you will be connected to the India's best educator.
क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है। अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट। इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220। तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए।
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box, and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount.